In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to SAMNet. So, our today assignment name is Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 1 Independent Project 1 to 4. And Independent Project 1 to 4. Now we are just reading instruction about the project, what we have in today project and how we have to solve that one. So, as a staff member at Blue Lake Sporting Goods, you prepare a monthly sale worksheet. You edit and format data, complete calculation and set page and print option. You also copy sheet for next data. So SLOs that will cover in today assignment that are 1.1 to 1.8. File needed, this one that we have already downloaded and we have already opened that one. Then after completed project, our file name must be our name and then file name. Now we are moving toward the skills that are covered in this project. Skills covered in this project: open and save workbook, choose a workbook theme, edit, format data, use auto sum button and fill handle, apply alignment and font setting, adjust column width and row height, insert footer, adjust page setup, add document properties. So all these skills will be covered in today project. So now we are moving toward instruction file. Before going to solve today assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have 9, 10, 11, 9 and 10. We have 10 question in graded report, then 11 one is non-graded one, 12 and 13. In 11 we have to save and close, then in 12 we have to upload and save, then in 13 we have to submit. So all three last three one are non-graded. We have just 10 question in graded report. Let me start today assignment step by step. Okay, so let me start today assignment step by step. Steps to complete this project. Then mark the steps as checked when you complete them. In first part or first question, we have to open workbook, this one, okay, that we call start file. Then if workbook open in protected view, then click enable editing. So our workbook is already open. Now we have to click on enable editing. So first question is done. Now we are moving toward in next question. In next question, what we have to do, the file will rename automatically to include your name. Yes, you may see our name is there, that is automatically added. So question number 2 is also done, in which we have to rename our file, that is automatically renamed. Okay, so after solving question 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3, what we have to do, apply office themes to our sheet. Now we have to apply their office theme. So come on solution sheet, then we have to click on page layout. There is theme option, so we have to open that one and find where is office. This one is office themes. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to apply office theme to the worksheet, and we have done that one. Now after solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. So remember that we are solving Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 1 Independent Project 1 to 4, that is SAMNet assignment, MC Grill Hill. So now we are moving toward question number 4. Added worksheet data. So in first part, in question number 4, first part, we have to edit the title in cell A2 to display first period sales by department. So we just copy this one from here, then we come on A2, there is A2, and we have to replace that with this sentence, then simply press enter. Okay, then in next word we have to edit the value in D6 to 1950. Now we have to write there D6, press enter, and there we write 1950, press enter. Okay, so question number 4, part A and B is done. In first part we have to edit the title in cell A2 to display first period sales by department. Then in part B we have to edit the value in cell D6 to 1950. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. Unmerge cells and reformat the data. Okay. So in first part we have to select cell A1 to A2. Okay. Then what we have to do? Then in next part we have to click merge and center button, that is in home tab alignment group. That is in home tab alignment group. Open this one and there we have to click merge and center. Then in part C we have to choose unmerged cell. The cells are no longer merged but cells still have center alignment. So that is also there. Open this one and there is unmerged cell option. Then in part D we have to click align left button, that is in home tab alignment group. Now we have to press align left. Yes, this one. Then in part E we have to change the font size to 16. We have to change font size to 16. Open this one and click 16 there. Then in part F we have to show a set row height for 1 to 2 to 24. Now first we have to select row height 1 to 2. First select both row 1 and 2, then right click there, row height, and for row height what we have to select? We have to in 24. Simply press OK. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to unmerge the cell and reformat data. In first part, we have to select cell A1 to A2. Then in part B, we have to click merge and center button, that is in home tab alignment group. Then in part C, we have to choose unmerged cell. The cells are no longer merged, but the cells still have center alignment. Then in part D we have to click align left button, that is in home tab alignment group. Then in part E we have to change the font size to 16. In part F we have to set row height to row of 1 to 2 to 24, and we have done. So question number 5 is done. Same way we will solve question number 6 step by step. Then question number 7, in which we have to use auto sum button and fill handle to calculate values in cell A4. Then same way we will solve question number 8, in which we have to format labels and values, just like we have to use accounting number format, and then a dollar sign. So same way we will solve question number 9, in which we have to insert footer and scale the data to print. Then question number 10, where we have to add document properties. So in today's video we discuss SAMNet project, that name is Excel 2021, and practice chapter 1 independent project 1 to 4. In start we just discuss independent project 1 to 4 instruction, what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. We discuss all SLOs. Then we move toward their skills cover in this project. We just discuss all these skills. Okay, then we move toward instruction file. and in instruction file there are 14 question in graded report. So out of 14 question we done question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First 6 question is done from my side in today video, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% result. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100% because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So you may trust on me and you will get 100% result. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I'm also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exams, final exams, Power BI project, SQL project, Simbo project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results every time whenever I will solve your assignment. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer and you will get E grade 100% marks. And our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video, we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 independent project 1 to 4. We have done almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. And remember that we have done almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. If you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.